Welcome to video 33 in series 3, and in this video I'll toggle the player. And what that is, it's a script that listens to the menu toggle event or inventory UI. So if the player brings up the menu or the inventory, then the player's input commands will be frozen, and so then there won't be any undesirable mouse rotation. So to begin with, I'll write a new script, and this will be the game manager toggle player. Okay, and then change the line endings, and I need to use a new namespace. So using, well, not create a new one, but access one, Unity standard assets, this one, dot first person, well, characters dot first person. Okay, because I need a specific type from there, a type of variable I'm going to have, which I'll then store a reference to the player's first-person controller, and I'll just disable that to stop the mouse movement. So pretty simple. And then next I need to, of course, make my namespace here. I don't need the start and update. I will need to have, I guess, two new variables. One is a public, it'll be first-person controller, and I'll just call it player controller, and I'll slot this in the inspector. The next one is a private game manager master, so I can get the events. We'll subscribe to them. Then I need void on enable, void on disable, and then my own void set initial references, and finally void toggle player controller. Okay, so in here I'll say game manager master is equal to get component, yep, game manager master. Then I'll call set initial references here, done. Okay, and then I'll subscribe this method to the events dot toggle, so menu toggle event plus equals toggle player controller, right? And I will just make another copy of that, and I'll make this one the toggle event, the inventory UI toggle event, and then just copy both of these and change them to the unsubscribe lines. Okay, and then inside of toggle player controller, first of all, I'll check that there is a player controller. So if player controller is not equal to null, then in that case, I should say that player controller, nope, that came out of the nowhere, dot enabled is equal to not player controller dot enabled. So just give it the opposite state of whatever it is. That's all I'm doing. And I think that's actually it. So that was actually rather short. So if I go back here, drop that on, grab the first person controller, that looks about right. Seems to be alright. Run in here, let's go. Let me just double check, everything's okay. Yes, and as you can see, it's got the first person controller script. Now it's got a reference to that. So now I should see it work. Right, I can't move the mouse, I can't move at all. Good, it's paused. If I hit escape, the game is now running, I can run around, jump, and I hit escape, and yep, I can't move, time is paused, it's working perfectly. Fantastic. Alright, so that's it for this video. We've got plenty more to do. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.